This might look like some military test at first glance, but it's actually meant to increase the range. This is China's rocket-based cloud seeding system. And yes, it literally fires missiles to make it rain. Instead of relying on natural weather patterns, they launch silver iodide flares straight into moisture-rich clouds. Each flare acts as a nucleus, forcing water droplets to condense faster. The end result? Artificial rainfall, sometimes within 20 to 30 minutes. These rockets aren't military grade, but they're launched with the same dramatic countdown. Operators wear full safety gear, triggering the launch from a wired remote control as sirens and smoke erupt around them. During the 2008 Olympics, China used the same tech to stop rain. By seeding clouds before they reach the stadium, the system is connected to real-time radar and satellite weather data, so every launch is planned accurately. Even the angle and wind conditions are factored in. What looks like a battlefield test is actually part of China's weather modification program. And if you see sudden rain under an otherwise blue sky, it may have been fired into existence just moments ago. Because here the forecast isn't red, it's launched. China's been doing this since the 1950s. But over the past decade, they've scaled it massively, especially across drought-prone provinces and agricultural zones. You'd think they're intercepting enemy aircraft, but they're just trying to hydrate the wheat. Does your region need the same tech?